with your game, pop your shit, face on pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches ain't got the leg none, pity on think I got the type one, make one take it, I got the right one. These fat bitches you like is my son.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and we're going to be doing another tutorial. This is a long overdue tutorial for the checkered bucket hat. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a magic circle to start off with whatever color you like. I'm doing 2 colors. My other hats, I think I did 3 colors or 2 colors, but I'm only going to do 2 colors for this one, so it's going to go a little easier, but it's still a tedious project because you have to keep changing the colors. So you're going to put 12 double crochets into a magic circle, or you're going to chain 4, slip stitch, and then put 12 double crochets into that middle space. And then you're going to slip stitch back to the first double crochet, which is my chain 3. But being that for round 2, you're going to change the color. So we're going to get our color, next color, which is going to be the blue. And we're going to go into that space that you slip stitch into. We're going to go into that space. And now we're going to start round 2, which is going to be 2 double crochets in each chain, or into each stitch. So I'm going to put my yarn in. We're going to chain 3, and now we're going to put another double crochet. So that first chain 3 acts as your double crochet, and now we're going to put 1 double crochet. So let me show you. You're going to yarn over, go in, pull up a loop. You're going to go through 2. You have 2 on your hook. Here's where you drop the yarn. You're going to pick up the first color that you were using, and you're going to slide that through. So now that completes your double crochet. We're not going to be cutting the yarn from here on out. We're just going to be tucking and pulling up the necessary color that we need to use. So now for the next one, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So the first double crochet is going to be a full double crochet, and then the next one is going to be the 2 loops. You're going to leave 2 loops. You're going to drop your yarn. You're going to pick up your working color, and you're going to switch. And just tuck as you go. So we're going to do that all the way around. I'm going to show you a few more times. Now we need another one. We're going to go through 2. We have 2 left. We drop our yarn. We pick up our working yarn, and we'll pull that through. So now you go through the next one. 2 left. We drop our yarn, and we'll pull the next color through. This is how you ensure that it's going to be not seamless, but I can't think of another word. Oh, what am I doing? So then you put 2. There's 2 left. Pull up your other color. And basically that's what we're going to be doing for the rest of this round. Pulling through 2, you have 2 left. You drop the color that you no longer need. You pull up the color that you do need. And then you're going to go to the next stitch, do your 1 double crochet, do half of the next double crochet, and then you're going to take the color that you need. Okay guys, so now we're almost done. We're at the last stitch. So we're going to do our last double crochet and we're going to color change. So now we're going to slip stitch into our chain 3 space. We're going to bring the green color over like that because we want to tuck as we go. And we're going to pull under all of those, slip stitch, close it up. Now we're going to make 1 double crochet, that's 1, and then we're going to go to the next one. We're going to make 2 double crochets into the next one, but we're going to color change. So we're going to drop this one, pick back up our green, and finish off that double crochet. So we have 2 double crochets. That's all we have is 2. So now I'm going to show you again, because remember, 1, 2, and that's what we have for round 2. So now round 3, it's going to be 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. Just like you're making a regular hat, all you're doing is doing the color changes. That's all you're doing. So now we can leave all of this. If you don't have this on yours, that's fine. And we're going to just bring our blue yarn so we can tuck it. We're going to put 1 double crochet. The next one, we're going to put 2 double crochets, but we're going to finish off with the next color. So then we drop that. We pick up this one and we pull it through. And now we do the same thing for the blue. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. Just like you're making a regular hat. So if you already know how to make a regular hat, this is very much so easy. And even if you're not, even if you haven't made a regular hat before, a hat this way before, this is still easy. It's just following directions to the T. We're going to color change. We're going to take our yarn, 1 double crochet, and the next one, 2 double crochets. We're going to finish off with the next color, and we're going to pull it through. And then this is how it's going to start to look. And you're going to see the checkered form, the checkered look form once we continue on for the next rounds. But this is what it should be looking like right now. So we're going to, when we get back to over here, then I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, so now that you're finished with round 3, this is what it should be looking like. You can see the little swirl action going on, fake swirl action going on. So now what you're going to do is you're going to keep the color that you're working on. And you're just going to finish out your double crochet. Because remember, we're doing 1 double, 1 double, 1 double. And then you're going to just take your yarn that's left over here. You're going to go into the double crochet. and you're going to slip stitch. And now we're going to be doing what we did for the previous 2 rounds. So you see how it was blue, 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 green, green, blue, blue, green, green, blue, blue, green, green. Now we're going to do green, green for the next 2 rows. So for row 2 and 3, we did blue. And then, you know, so now rows 3 and 4, no, 4 and 5, you're going to do green, green, blue, blue, green, green, blue, blue. So you're just switching colors. That's all for the next 2 rounds. So we're going to put 1 double crochet, and then you're going to put another double crochet. Then you're going to put your increase, which will be 2 double crochets, but then we're going to drop the color and we're going to switch. So now 1 double crochet, another double crochet in the next one, and then we're going to put 2 double crochets, 2 left on there. Now we're going to switch. One double crochet, another double crochet in the next, 2 double crochets. Now we're going to switch. And if you get confused when you crochet, if you're one of those crocheters, talk out loud, talk to yourself, because that's how you'll know what you're doing. Because if it don't sound right, then you can go back and be like, what am I talking about? But yes, 1 double crochet, another double crochet, and then you're going to switch. Leave 2, and then you're going to go over the blue, 1 double crochet, another double crochet, then you're going to switch. Once you get to the last double crochet, you pull up your new color and you switch. Then double into this, then you switch. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like so far, and then I'm gonna meet you guys back once we get over here. Okay, so now that you're at the end, we've done 1, 2, 3. This is round 4. Now we're going to be doing round 5. You're going to leave 2 loops on your hook. You're going to add the green color because we're going to be still working with green like I told you. And then you're going to slip stitch into that first double crochet like normal. So slip stitch, chain 1. Now you're going to work 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet into the next, another double crochet into the next one. The last double crochet is going to get 2. But we're going to be changing colors like normal, so you're going to drop that color, pick up the new color, and we're going to go in the same way. 1 double crochet, another double crochet, that's 2, and then you're going to do another double crochet into the next, that's 3. Now you're doing 2 double crochets into that last one. You're going to drop the color, pick up your new color, and you're going to see that it's going to start forming the little checkered look very soon. So then now 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to put 2 in here. Drop that. Pick up our new color. Continue on as usual. 1, 2, 3. So this is how it's starting to look. This is going to be your last increase row. And it's going to look even better once you get to your regular rows, because then you'll see how the checker is forming. So I just took that apart and did the same thing over again. So we're gonna drop that, pick up our color that we need to work with, and we're going to two, 3. Then we're gonna put 2 double crochets, change our color again. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to change our color again. And now I'm gonna come back once I'm done with the row, and we're gonna meet up back here. Okay guys, so once you're done with the blue, you're going to close it up. You're going to slip stitch, and this is how it should be looking right now. This is the crown of your head. These are 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the end of part 1. So if you're like this video, please subscribe, like it, and share this video. And then part 2 will soon follow. Thank you guys for watching. And I will show you how to do the body of the hat plus the brim, to where you can fold it up, you can roll it up. You want to leave it where it's flared out like a, normal bucket hat. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.